जा रही हूँ, जो कुछ इस प्रकार। निरंतर शिक्षण पद्धति को अपनाना है, निरंतर शिक्षण पद्धति को अपनाना है, कौशल और क्षमताओं में सुधारना है, कौशल और क्षमताओं में सुधारना है। व्यक्तिगत ज्ञान के विस्तार के साथ, व्यक्तिगत ज्ञान के विस्तार के साथ सामाजिक स्तर पर भी शिक्षा को बढ़ाना है, सामाजिक स्तर पर भी शिक्षा को बढ़ाना है। आजीवन विद्यार्थी बनकर कुछ सीखना है, आजीवन विद्यार्थी बनकर कुछ सीखना है, सीखने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती ये दिखाना है, सीखने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती ये दिखाना है। कक्षा से परे भी चलती है सतत शिक्षा, कक्षा से परे भी चलती है सतत शिक्षा, विश्वास और सम्मान दिलाती है सतत शिक्षा, विश्वास और सम्मान दिलाती है सतत शिक्षा। नए आयाम, नई उपलब्धियां अगर पाना है तो, नए आयाम, नई उपलब्धियां अगर पाना है तो निरंतर शिक्षण पद्धति को अपनाना है, कौशल और क्षमताओं में सुधार लाना है, कौशल और क्षमताओं में सुधार लाना है। धन्यवाद।
एक गीत प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं।
धन्यवाद।
Thank you, children, class 11-3, for your beautiful thoughts, speeches, song. आप सभी ने बहुत ही अनमोल वचन हम लोगों के सामने रखे और शिक्षा के जो फायदे हैं उनको आपने बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से रखा, इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। We heard beautiful song sung by Avirupa. God bless her. She has a sweet voice. She sings well. long before, somewhere in the late 70s, early 80s, a futurologist called Alvin Toffler had written a book which had become very famous. The title of the book was Future Shock. In that he had written that in future or in the coming days, the illiterates will not be the ones who cannot write or count, but the ones who will not be in a position to learn, relearn. One has to learn, and at times we have to unlearn also. We may find, our intelligence may tell us that what we have learned is not right. So many theories failed, new theories come in. So when the new theories come in, we have to relearn those things. So Alvin Toffler said, future illiterates will be the ones who will not be able to unlearn and relearn. So keep your minds awake. Not every day, but every moment of our life has a learning experience in it. Our learning, our education doesn't stop when you get promoted from one class to another. Our learning or our education doesn't stop when you complete your schooling or when you complete your college degrees. Learning is a lifelong process. The ones who can learn this knack of skill of learning will be extremely successful in their lives, will remain happy in their lives, will not make, more importantly, others around them unhappy. This is also our duty. A good human being not only remains happy himself or herself, but also doesn't make others around him uncomfortable. अगर आप किसी को कष्ट पहुंचा रहे हो, मैं देखता हूं कभी कभी कुछ छोटे छोटे बच्चे एक दूसरे को खड़े खड़े आप लोग कभी कभी लाते मारते हो, कभी कभी हाथ चलाते हो ऐसी मस्ती में, लेकिन वो अच्छी आदत नहीं है. It doesn't give good reflection about you. On the other hand, कुछ बहुत ही सिंसियर हैं, उनकी पर्सनालिटी से झलकता है. सिंसियरली खड़े होते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा हिलते नहीं है असेंबली में, एक दूसरे को परेशान नहीं करते. तो आप खुद सोचें आप किस कैटेगरी के हो, दूसरों को परेशान करने वालों में हो या दूसरों को खुशी देने वाले हो. तो आपको उत्तर स्वयं मिल जाएगा. और अगर आप पाते हो कि आप दूसरों को परेशान कर रहे हो तो अपने में सुधार कर लो. God has given us various things to improve. We can always improve. Yesterday, a girl asked me from senior class, what is the difference between hard work and smart work? Hard work is important. Hard work is when we put in extra time, when we become diligent, when we persevere, we don't give up. And smart work is to know how to do that same thing in a better way. So both are important in life. Smart work, the difference, one example I can give you is through hard work, we individually can learn in our life through our life experiences. A smart person will learn from others' experiences also. But try to know the difference. You want to go ahead with only hard work, then you are laborious. That is also good. But be smart, learn from others. Because you are not going to live many lives. You have one single life. That's why I say read, look at others. The mistakes which others are doing, you don't do it. Senior class children read interviews of highly successful people, especially the IS, those who are successful in IS exams to become IS, Indian Administrative Officers, read their interviews and you will find that they have so much to give us. Take those things, learn those things and grow. I'm thankful to the teachers for taking up the teaching learning material seriously. Yesterday foundational literacy and numeracy was also being done in various classes. I'm sure you all enjoyed those classes, children. Class 2, class 1, all the classes had these beautiful teaching learning materials. My only advice, suggestion to all the teachers is, please continue with the practice of what you're doing. Because that will make your classes, your teaching interesting, and thereby learning for the students will also be interesting, meaningful, and it will be a smart learning. So along with the hard work, I would request the teachers also to become smart. So ensure that when you're going to the class, you're going to create interest, you're going to give something important to the students, and students' job is to be attentive in the class and take what the teachers have come to give you. Thank you.